So what is this, you probably ask? Well, I had a little discrepancy. There we are. Had a little discrepancy between the deadwood and the front of the keel. So I have added some bondo here, or mud, or spackel, whatever your language is and whatever you call it. So I have added a little bit to straighten the front end of the keel out. So now I'm going to go ahead and lay some, or spray some new gold. So I will be gone for a couple of days on a business trip, and this weekend I will install this onto the boat with this deadwood. This deadwood gives the boat the original depth. I know it's not going to sail as good in heavy breeze, but I like the way the boat looks. It was how John Swarbrick intended it, and so it's going to have the original deadwood for starters. If you look closely, you will see, this is not pulled, but it will need some bondo, and I will just finish that. But getting this fixed tonight means I don't have to do that when the keel is installed on the boat. So now I have the keel at the scale depth. I haven't really installed the keel for good. I used some bondo, which means I can loosen the keel bolts and remove it pretty easily. I didn't glue it with epoxy. Once I have decided what depth I'm going to use, if I'm going to have a little bit deeper deadwood, then I will install the keel for good. So the finish is not, it's not perfect, but at this point I will test sail it first. And
what do you two start putting the soft stuff that we thought they would be, the soft stuff? So